Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 products that I'm going to buy on this website. As you can see in this video, this guy is using a neck messenger to massage her neck. And you can use the neck messenger to massage your neck by yourself. As you can see, you can also adjust the neck messenger to your taste. As you can see here guys, this is the website where you can buy the neck messenger. If you want to know the name of this website, please click on the description box below and check it out. This is a car trash can, just like your waste bin. You can hang it on your car door. As you can see her, she's opening it and she pour water in the can and close it. Then she drag it out and throw the water away. Then you can put your tissue, nylon, paper, etc. You know what? This car trash can is also good for your children, so that they can be trained at snacks nylon and say goodbye to floor sweeping or mopping. You can also buy the car trash can on this website too. In this video, this is a little water bottle for sports. You can use this for sporting. As you can see in this video, this guy puts, look at, he's wearing the water bottle. Then he's pressing it. You can put your mouth and drink water. You can also buy this product on this website. So these are the details of the product.